Airlines mishandle millions of bags every year. That's millions of travelers dealing with the headache of lost belongings. The good news? There's a solution. Smart luggage trackers. These handy devices offer peace of mind. You can track your bags in real time. Never again will you wonder, where in the world is my suitcase? With a tracker, you're always in the know. Let's explore how these tiny devices can make a big difference in your travel experience. Remember the days of paper luggage tags? They were flimsy and unreliable. Technology has come a long way. Now we have smart luggage trackers. These compact devices attach to your bags. They act as your eyes and ears throughout your journey. Smart trackers use various technologies. These include Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi. Some even tap into crowdsourced networks. This means they can pinpoint your luggage's location almost anywhere in the world. No more guessing games. You'll always know where your belongings are. The best part? Using these trackers is incredibly easy. Most connect to your smartphone via an app. You download the app, pair your device, and you're good to go. The app will show you your luggage's location on a map, giving you real-time updates. It's like having a personal assistant for your bags. The market offers a variety of luggage trackers. Each has its own strengths and features. Let's look at some popular options. Apple AirTag. Small and sleek, the AirTag seamlessly integrates with Apple's Find My network. It uses a vast network of Apple devices to pinpoint your luggage's location. TileMate. Tile is another well-known brand. The TileMate is known for its long battery life and affordable price. Samsung SmartTag. Designed for Samsung users, the SmartTag offers similar features to the AirTag, leveraging Samsung's network. Luggage. Luggage stands out with its dedicated global tracking network. This means it doesn't rely solely on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, providing broader coverage. Tracky boasts impressive battery life and real-time tracking capabilities. It's a robust option for frequent travelers. Remember to research and compare these options. Choose the tracker that best suits your needs and budget. Section 4. Benefits of using luggage. Trackers, peace of mind, and more. The primary benefit of luggage trackers is peace of mind. Imagine this. You've just landed after a long flight. Instead of anxiously scanning the baggage carousel, you open your tracker app. You see your suitcase waiting for you at baggage claim. That's peace of mind in action. But the benefits go beyond peace of mind. Luggage trackers also facilitate quicker recovery. If your luggage is delayed or misdirected, you'll know its exact location. This information is invaluable when dealing with airlines. You can provide precise details, speeding up the recovery process. No more endless waiting or uncertainty. Luggage trackers empower you with knowledge and control, making the entire travel experience smoother. Section 5. How luggage trackers work. A blend of technology. Luggage trackers might seem magical, but they rely on a clever blend of technologies. Most trackers utilize a combination of Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, and crowdsourced networks. Let's break it down. Bluetooth. This short-range wireless technology connects your tracker to your smartphone when they're close. You can easily see your luggage's location within a limited range. GPS, Global Positioning System, GPS, provides precise location data via satellites. Some trackers have built-in GPS, allowing you to track your bags anywhere in the world with cellular coverage. Wi-Fi. When your tracker is within range of a known Wi-Fi network, it can use that network to update its location. Crowdsourced networks. Some trackers, like Tile and AirTag, leverage the power of crowdsourcing. If another user with the same app comes within range of your tracker, its location is anonymously updated. This combination of technologies ensures that you can track your luggage in various situations, from bustling airports to remote destinations. Section 6. Important considerations. Restrictions and limitations. While luggage trackers are incredibly useful, it's essential to be aware of certain restrictions and limitations. Battery life. Most trackers have a battery life ranging from a few months to a year. Remember to check and replace the battery before your trip. Airline regulations. Some airlines have regulations regarding lithium batteries in checked baggage. Check your airline's guidelines before placing trackers inside your checked luggage. Bluetooth range. Bluetooth trackers have a limited range. They might not work if your luggage is stored far away from you or in a secure area. Privacy concerns. Crowdsourced networks, while beneficial, raise privacy concerns for some users. Be aware of how your data is used and consider the privacy policies of different tracker companies. By understanding these limitations, you can use your luggage tracker effectively and responsibly. Section 7. Your step-by-step guide to using luggage trackers. Using a luggage tracker is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Choose your tracker. Select a luggage tracker that meets your needs and budget. Download the app. Download the corresponding app for your chosen tracker on your smartphone. Pair your device. Follow the in-app instructions to pair your luggage tracker with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Attach the tracker. Securely attach the tracker to your luggage, either inside or outside, depending on the tracker's design and airline regulations. Activate tracking. Once your luggage is packed and ready, activate the tracking feature in the app. Monitor your luggage. Use the app to monitor your luggage's location throughout your journey. Locate and retrieve. Upon arrival, use the app to locate your luggage at baggage claim or if it's been misdirected. With these simple steps, you can travel with confidence, knowing that you have a watchful eye on your belongings.